Hey, are you looking for the best budget smartwatch from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress smartwatches for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the watches are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the smartwatch is new Herall Smartwatch. Already, this smartwatch price is $36.98. Herall is a multi-function sports smartwatch. 1.3-inch square screen gives you a better user experience, and you could adjust the screen brightness in the watch. It supports various sport mode monitors, continuous real-time heart rate monitoring, makes you a better understanding of their own health. More than 128 megabytes RAM and ROM. About 5 to 7 days battery life, built-in 360 mAh battery capacity makes a proper combination. This watch has a 1.3-inch touchscreen smartwatch. IP68 waterproof rating. It is completely waterproof when washing your hands or getting caught in the rain. Ultra-long battery life with 15 days of standby time. It is the perfect companion, keep you organized and productive all day. This smartwatch is an all-in-one combination. Pedometer, calorie counter, health tracker, sedentary remind, remote photos, music control, call reminder, alarm clock, anti-lost remind, weather forecast, notification push for email, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. This smartwatch has a personal health tracker system. Built-in latest optical sensors. Track real-time heart rate effectively, blood pressure and blood oxygen levels, intelligent sleep monitoring, helping you adjust yourself for a healthier lifestyle. By its all-day activity tracking. Bluetooth running GPS fitness tracker accurately record all-day activities like steps, distance, calories burned, active minutes. Special sport modes for walking, running, cycling, football, basketball, badminton, skipping. You can easily connect to the phone. Download the app, connect via Bluetooth, watch real-time movement data, and share the sports data instantly to social media networks. The app supports iOS or higher and Android 5.1 or higher versions. And at number 4, the best smartwatch is PotTL 8251 8G smartwatch. This watch is a stylish GPS sports watch that not only represents a stylish attitude but also monitors your health and movement at all times. It is a very cost-effective sports watch, built-in GPS, and multiple running exercise modes for choice. Have such a watch, ignite your passion for exercise. Recently, this watch price is $43.22. It has a 1.28-inch high-resolution round full touch screen, makes the displayed content more vivid and beautiful. Bigger screen, fit the width of the wrist, bring a pleasant feeling of wearing. It can accurately monitor pulses and the active and resting heart rate changes to generate a professional heart rate report. Support blood pressure monitor and blood oxygen monitor. Enter into monitoring for sleep interface and click start and then put onto hand to sleep. The pedometer will monitor the user's sleep quality through oscillation amplitude and duration of sleep. It has IP67 waterproof design. It can easily deal with daily waterproofing. It cannot swim or contact hot water and fit for a normal cold water environment. This watch has a 260 mAh battery, 3 to 5 days for common use. Battery life and charge cycles vary with use, settings, and other factors. Actual results will vary. 8 sports modes are supported. Record your workout moment. It has multi-sports modes like running, walking, basketball, football, badminton, skipping, cycling mode. The real-time status of weather can be synchronized via Bluetooth. Bluetooth push notifications. Leave your phone in your pocket and view notifications on your wrist. You can set an alarm to remind. Customize the face of your smartwatch to fit your needs. And at number 3, the best smartwatch is LIGE BW152 smartwatch. Today we are going to talk about the latest and cheapest smartwatch from the brand LIGE, the BW152 smartwatch. It features a 1.3-inch touchscreen, stylish design, a metal case, IP68 water protection, many useful features along with 15 days of battery life. Already this watch price is $56.99. The watch case is made of carbon, while the bezel around the screen is made of aluminum. The dial is only available in black, but the strap can be chosen from 3 options: black, red, and green. The watch has a round 1.3-inch screen. This is an IPS panel with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. The display is touchscreen, and it is quite bright. You can see everything in sunny weather. It has 9 sports modes: walking, running, cycling, rope, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. As we said before, swimming mode is available because of IP68 protection. This watch is synchronized with mobile devices on Android 4.4 and above or iOS 8.5 and above. To connect the watch to your smartphone, you have to download the DA-Fit app. As for functions, this watch tracks steps, distance, calories. You can also use a timer, alarm clock, stopwatch, calendar, activity reminder, weather forecast, remote control of the camera. It is not a very large battery compared to other LIA smartwatches. However, LIA BW152 still lasts up to 10 days on a single charge. In standby mode, it will last for 30 days. Excellent result, given the color touch screen display. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the watch. In at second place, the smartwatch is LIA BW104 smartwatch. Now, this watch price is $79.98. This smartwatch can support two-way calls. After connecting your mobile phone and smartwatch via Bluetooth, you can contact and communicate with friends and family anytime, anywhere. At the same time, this watch will vibrate to remind you of incoming calls, SMS, and SNS messages, like Facebook, Twitter, etc. The fitness tracker with a heart rate monitor supports 24-hour heart rate monitoring to monitor and record the data of heart rate. In order to comprehend your own physical condition better, the smartwatch also monitors and records your sleep status automatically, providing a comprehensive analysis of your sleep quality like deep sleep, light sleep, and wake-up time to help you develop a healthier lifestyle. This fitness watch has 10 sports modes to choose from: walk, running, cycling, rock climbing, swimming, diving, table tennis, badminton, football, and basketball. You can record and view real-time data, such as your heart rate, combustion, and distance exercise. This activity tracker has a weather and temperature display, so you will prepare umbrellas and clothes before you leave home. This watch has IP67 waterproof design, which makes men's fitness smartwatches sweat-proof, rain-proof or splash-proof. You don't have to worry about damaging the fitness tracker when you wash your hands. But you can't wear the watch for bathing, sauna or diving, and other behaviors. This smartwatch will also record your activity distance and calories, sedentary reminder, alarm reminder, stopwatch, timer, music control, breathing exercise, and other functions. The LIA smartwatches are compatible with smartphones with Android 4.4, iOS 9.0, and Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. In at number 1, the best smartwatch is 368 German marks plus smartwatch. Considering its reasonably priced charge, exceptional durability, purchaser rating, and consumer call for, I have placed this watch number 1 on my listing. Now, this smartwatch price is $87.88. 368 German marks is a multi-function sports smartwatch. 1.3-inch round screen gives you a better user experience and you could adjust the screen brightness in the watch. It supports various sports mode monitors, continuous real-time heart rate monitoring, makes you a better understanding of your own health. The watch is equipped with a powerful quad-core processor MT6739 high-speed video coprocessor and high-definition image processor. It adopts an Android 7.1 system, 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, supports nano SIM card, 4G LTE network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 wireless connection with a 1.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen, which will bring you smartphone-like intelligent experience. The watch supports multiple sports modes. GPS tracks your positions, movements and generates track maps. Sports data professionally analyzed and displayed makes you learn and better manage your health activities. A professional human detection sensor is built in the watch which supports heart rate detection and works with big data and precise calculations to achieve real measured. When you receive a message from your phone, it will be synchronized and pushed to your smart bracelet. You can view the text content on the wristband and never miss any important information. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.